ma'am.
Hi.
I have few doubts regarding IVF. Can I ask, ma'am?
Yeah, sure.
When to try IVF?
For anybody, if the tubes are blocked, we'll have to go for IVF. If you have tried for multiple cycles of ovulation induction and timed intercourse, that is trying naturally, and you have failed, and if you have gone for multiple cycles of IUI and failed, then your next resort would be IVF.
Is IVF last option?
No, IVF is not the last option, but it is definitely the effective option that we have. It is the effective treatment that we have for infertility, because the chance of success with IVF is better when compared to all the other procedures.
Is IVF painful?
No, IVF as such is not painful, but the injections that you take for while ovulation induction will be a little painful, and the other thing is you will have to go through anesthesia for oocyte retrieval.
How long does one IVF cycle take?
So usually IVF cycle as such takes around 4 to 6 weeks, of which 2 weeks you will be taking injections and you will go for oocyte retrieval, or that is oocyte pickup. After that, we will freeze that embryo based on the quality of embryos and the quantity of embryos that we get. Once the embryos are good in number, we try to freeze them and we will transfer it in the next cycle. So altogether you might take around 4 to 6 weeks.
Is IVF injections harmful?
No, IVF injections are not harmful because they are very short acting. They would be in your system for a very short amount of time. And these usually cause very minimal side effects like bloating, or you feel like you have gained some weight, and definitely painful, that is there.
Can I go for work during IVF?
Yes, definitely. You can do all the work that you do. You can do all the regular activities that you do. You can cook, you can go to work. Something you have to avoid is don't go and do strenuous exercise and take a lot of stress.
Should I take complete bed rest after embryo transfer?
No. After embryo transfer, we tell that after 1 or 2 days of minimal rest, that means same thing again, don't go for strenuous exercises and don't go for lifting weights, and don't take stress, just be calm and you can go for your work, you can do everything, you don't need to take bed rest. And studies say that not taking rest after embryo transfer has better results when compared to just taking rest and staying home. So do you have any more questions?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.